Good morning, welcome back. So this is a little run to try out the new GoPro and the microphone setup. I had a little sound booth sort of thing around the microphone that fell off on the last video on the Fossway part 1, and so the audio was pretty crappy. So I've built a little, I didn't realise that, so I built a little booth thing around it, and hopefully that's better. So this byway goes down to Blackberry Way, I believe, and I came down here the other day and it was really muddy. Anyway, I thought that'd be quite an interesting video to make, and it tries out the GoPro and see what that's like. It's a GoPro 9, so it's got fairly good image stabilisation apparently. Thank you. Oh, that's the first bit of mud. Jolly good. Oh well, you're not going to get away. Slidey. A lot better than it was when I was last down here. It was about 6 inches of mud. Horse. I wonder what the protocol is here. How does one ever pass a horse? Thank you. So I reckon a lot more friendly than with a dirt bike. It's a bit more intimidating for people, I think. Whereas this is quite a chummy sort of friendly bike. Got all sorts of critters going into my helmet. Oh, bloody hell. Whoa, back end sliding out quite a bit, but I haven't got any knobblies on it, so I think these tyres are fairly good. Seems they're the standard ones, that's all. Back all slid out there. Whee. It is quite slippery. Ooh. I'm trying not to use the Anglo-Saxon so much. Oh. Goddamn sliding all over the place. Swallowing critters. I think that might be first actually. And I know you can't tell the incline on these GoPros or video, you know, these action cameras. I think that's second. But this thing, it just chugs along. I think it's great. And you're really not going to go that much faster. And I'm doing, what, 26 kilometres, which I don't know what that is. Back end went there again. Oh boy, you don't want to get bogged down in that lot. It's sliding all over the place on the back. God, really muddy. Wee, sweet. Oh, dear, oh dear. Oh, some of these holes. I'll try and get over that side, and it's ever so slippery. Oh, the road. Right, now I think that's neutral. Okay, so I think this is the Blackberry Lane. Whew. Still, it's drier than it was. Got cramp in my hand. Okay. Oh, neutral. Good. There we go. Well, I must say it's infinitely easier than it was on the Honda. So hopefully I'm going to be doing a lot more of this. The Ridgeway opens up next, a couple of weeks time, end of April. So I'll be going down there. And another thing that interests me is like these old coach roads. The trouble is you've got to go quite a long way to get onto them. I haven't got a trailer or anything, so and I'll see how that goes. And Salisbury Plain, which is quite nearby, but that looks fairly boring to me. Oh dear, got everything here. Got your handful there?
No need to, they're not mine.
You right? Am I right? Yeah? They're bigger than I am. They're bigger than I am. Thank you. Got in a rut, got in the rut, get out of the rut. Bit like life. Oh dear me, I think I went into first then, unintentionally. Oh, I just thought of a good slogan. If you want to get out of the rut of life, get a Honda CT125. There we go. Now that was a lot easier than the Honda, I must admit. And I think that was Somerford Forest or Woods or something like that. I'm not sure. There might be a notice up here. Bluebells are all out, that's nice. God, summer on its way. Long time coming. This, I find January and February really quite a slog to get through. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day there. I'll put the grid reference up of where I started and where I finished. Be great if you could subscribe, because that helps the channel grow, and I think it massages the algorithm a little bit. And hit the like button, apparently that makes a difference as well. But no worries if you don't want to. Somerford Common, there you are. So I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.